is a power without distance. It does not arrive or depart. It lives in the smallest moment and moves through the widest part. Nothing is outside its presence. Nothing exists apart. The same essence fills the vastness and rests within the heart. I begin to sense its nearness, not measured by size or space. The infinite shows its nature through every subtle place. What feels divided by dimension is held within a single field. Spirit moves without separation. Its presence always revealed. I do not search beyond the horizon or wait for a sign to appear. The power I seek is already fully present here. When understanding deepens, awareness learns to stay. I recognize the same intelligence at every point, every way. The infinite does not fragment. It does not scatter or divide. Its essence flows through